Oh, that's cute. Okay. My glasses on. I'm wearing contacts right now, so these are obviously just like really aesthetic. Giving teacher 60K librarian. But yeah. Hey guys, it's Ray Monet back with another video. I'm in love with this hair. So a couple days ago, I decided to make a very impulsive purchase. Usually around winter time, you see like a lot of like creative like protective stuff. If you're a black girl, you know what I'm talking about. No shade. Like around this time every year, the protective styles come out and they be given faux locks, natural length, realistic locks, long knotless braids, beat-in cornrows, and like Fulani and like all that cute little protective styles basically. I saw this video of this girl with these faux locks on Instagram. What is this? Last week. I initially saw it, I thought they were like just like her hair. I thought it was just like her locks, like she grew them out of her scalp. But no, it was faux locks. And then I look at the Instagram page. It's by Boho Locs. Mind you, I've known about Boho Locs for a minute, but when I first heard about them, I was like around 17, so I wasn't really like, I didn't really have the coin like that to like be buying the hair, because the hair isn't, well no, it's on the more expensive side. So like I never really got a chance to actually buy it for myself, but I would see like all over Instagram. I just realized there's something on my shirt. But basically, I remember seeing them a couple years back when like they first came out. Now fast forward to now. I see them, I'm like, I got some coin. Because I've been wanting locks for a very long time. Like if you are like, you're into like protective styles and like natural hairstyles and stuff like that, you know about the Bobby Boss
40-inch hair, yours came in
crochet locks, like the real long. It basically looks like this, but like they're not curly, they're like straight. And at one point everybody was getting those when they first came out, because at first they only had like the 26-inch locks, but then that one summer, was that last summer? When everybody started getting the long like bust down middle part faux locks, 30-inch to the knees. Yeah, I love those. I had those twice. I'll put pictures on the screen. And when I had those, I love those, but they weren't natural looking. Lisa Bonet, that's what I was going for. I wanted to give, ooh, Ray Monet. Lisa Bonet. This is the video. I actually saved it because I was not playing. I saved like about 5 of their videos. This video of this gorgeous girl. That was the video. Make sure it's in focus. That was the video that made me want to purchase these locks. I saw this video, I was like, girl, sold, in my cart, purchased. And what I really liked was the fact that I could tell that she had like shorter locks in the front and like it was longer at the bottom, like so full. Let me get a thumbnail. I'm not even gonna lie about how long it took me or how tedious this hair. It wasn't even tedious, it was just, I was lazy. So it took me a span of 2 days. It would have took me 1 day, but I was impatient and I wanted to start the day that I got them, which wasn't a good idea. To braid my whole head, it took me about 3 hours because I have a big head and my hair isn't as short as it used to be. So it took me about 2-3 hours to braid my head and part it, because when you're parting yourself, it takes a little bit longer because you can't see the back of your head. And I was doing it completely by myself this time. I'll insert clips of me doing that after I stop talking. I know I'm ranting a lot, it's just, I have to get all this out. I braided my whole head. And then the next day, I went and put all the locks in. Kind of lazy too, so that probably had something to do with it. But it's worth it because these are cute. I'll put clips of me doing that right now. I'm just going to show you how to do them real quick. So you're going to need your lock and you're going to need a crochet needle. Push it through the base. Take the loop of the lock, make sure it's open, hook it on, close this open part, close it, make sure it's secured so it's not moving, pull it through, take off your crochet needle, open the loop again. Some people pull the braid through and the lock. I just pulled the lock through. Pull the lock through and then pull. Now it is secured. But for the install part, again, take your crochet needle, make it close. It's kind of hard to tell because the hair's black, but you're gonna push it through just the needle through the hollow part of the lock until you get to the top. Make sure you're inside the lock. You're gonna hook on the end of your braid on the loop, close it, and pull through. And now my hair is inside of the lock, well, the top part of the lock. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until my hair is completely covered. So let me do it again. Find a random spot underneath of where I just ended. Again, take the end of your braid, pull through. That is how you install the locks individually, not the cornrow method. If you want to know how to do it with the cornrow method, like, you know, leave out just cornrows, or like half leave out, I mean half individuals, half cornrows, go back to my other previous crochet lock video. So by now you've seen the install process and all the other little clips I got while I was actually installing the hair. So now I'm going to get into the specs. I'll put a video right here of how everything came. What you see in the video is how it came, like untouched. I didn't open anything, I just took everything out the white packaging it came in and laid it on my chair. So that's what you're watching right now. Extra midnight goddess locks. The midnight means they're black. It also says goddess layers, which is the 14-inch that came with the pack of the long ones. Obviously there's bundles missing because it's in my head. Really long. I'll take it out the pack. I believe that the website said the longer bundles were from 26 to 28 inches. So that's roughly how long these are. How pretty are those? And I love, oh, I'm not even in the camera. There. I love the density, I love the luster, I love the lack of shine because that makes it look a lot more natural. And I love the length. You only need one pack. This whole pack comes with 6 bundles. So it's enough for your full head and then some. I only have in 2.5 packs in my head right now. And let me pull my hair to the front so you guys can see. Shells and like beads and stuff. That's basically everything it comes with. And like I said, this 16-inch pack. So let me start with the shipping. So I ordered the hair on January 5th. I'll put it on the screen. I got an email saying it ships on January 6th. I'll put it on the screen. Received the hair at my door, knock knock, on January 8th. I was like, and the funny thing is I wasn't supposed to get it until that Monday, but I got it on January 8th, which was that Saturday. And when I saw the tracking, I was like, oh, there's no way I'm gonna get it, because you know on Sunday they don't ship. So I was like, 10 out of 10 for shipping. 2 days. I got the hair in 2 days. The length. It said on the website that the hair was between 26 and 28 for the style. This hair is about 30 inches long. Yeah. It's like right between 29 and 30. So definitely true length. The longevity. I've had these in for like 3 days. With this type of hair, you want them to get old because the older they get, the more natural and like realistic they look. It's only 3 days, so I can't really say much. I'll make a video like a month from now, like my birthday. My birthday's on February 12th, if you didn't know. Aquarius. Around that time, make sure I make a video like telling you how it's holding up, because right now I can't really say anything. The website, it says they can last up to 12 months, which is a year, and especially because of the fact that you have 6 bundles in the pack and you can probably use 3 of those bundles or 2.5 and then save the rest. I said the shipping, I said the install, I said the length, the price. Okay, so this is probably the part y'all were waiting for. The price of this hair was $150. Don't even click out the video. Hair was $150, which is new for me because I'm cheap. Like, I don't like spending a lot of money for hair unless it's like bundles. So when I saw the price, I was like, and it sucks when you're like on like the edge of like about to buy some hair, but you don't, because you go on YouTube and you can't find any reviews. Like, I saw 2 reviews, but they were informative, but not informative enough for me to want to buy the hair. But here's the kicker. Yeah, I say that, the kicker. I never said that in my life. They have not Afterpay, they have Klarna. It's basically Afterpay. You do 4 installment payments of whatever is broken down from your price. But yeah, I think I put down $40, $37, $40, something like that. So definitely take advantage, which is interesting because a lot of hair companies, most of them don't have Afterpay or Klarna. So it's like, y'all knew what y'all was doing when y'all put Klarna on there, because honestly, before I saw that Klarna, I was like, I don't know if I want to buy it. Yeah, that was definitely a deciding factor of me getting this hair. Take advantage of that if you must. If it wasn't obvious, I love this hair. It's so pretty. I'll make sure I insert a clip of me like standing up and like give you a full 360, like pull the hair up in a ponytail, all that. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you, my cup moving, and I'll see you in the next one.